So it says ignition, battery, solenoid. Let's take care of the battery one first. I wonder if I can just slide it over. I wonder if I can just slide that over. Let's see. Can I slide this terminal over this? That's an interesting question. Potentially, maybe. Let's see what happens. Let's try the first one. So I'm going to go this open spot here, up top here. I'm going to put it to this spot here. So when I go like this way, this terminal, maybe it won't go in there. Maybe if I spread it with my screwdriver. Oh yeah. That feels great. Come on. I know you want to go in there. Don't pretend like you don't. Get a little bending going, spread that out. And then, oh come on. Too wide. Can't be. Can't be. I wish I had my needle nose. This would make it a lot easier. I'm just gonna spread it like this. Oh, it worked. Look at that. Look at that. Power on. Alright, well, that's on there tight. Okay, so that means the other two will hopefully do the same thing. I know the start solenoid one will because it's the same exact terminal as that other one. Let's jam this in there. Get a little spread. Solenoid. Screw this thing. Slide this on. Slide this on. Guess not. More. Spread it more. Oh man, that's tough. There we go. Solenoid wire on. Solenoid. I gotta remember to go out there and put that thing back on the solenoid on the starter. Thanks for reminding me. Because I did take it off because it was sending power through the other switch, remember? If you were watching this and I was playing with it yesterday, which it's Sunday right now, technically. So that was yesterday, Saturday. Oh man. Is this gonna go on? It might. This one may need a little more persuading here. I'm afraid I'm doing some of this stuff where you guys can't see it. Maybe I'm over here and I'm talking about it and I'm doing it and you can't actually see it. Spread this out. Slide it on. Alright, we're good to go. So the question is, we go out there and, so the key, in all reality, this thing, okay, so it is going to work on, coils on, okay. So I'm going to zip tie this right there because it looks like a great place to put it. That's where the original switch should be anyway, right here. And I love the original. I love the original dash in the 57. So maybe I'll just be like that, sentimental. Put it up there like this. You guys can see it. That's one. We'll go the other way with the other one. This one with this way. We'll go this way with this. this way with this one. Oh, it wants to turn. So it's going to definitely be a two-handed. That zip tie's a piece of junk. Let's add a couple more in there. Will that turn on its own? It will. Off, on, crank. No! Stop turning, piece of junk. Off, on, crank. Get that way. We'll go this way now. This way. I guess we have one zip tie that doesn't work. Only that one, so here. Okay. Alright, that's good to go. Close this thing up. Hook up the fuel pump again. Hook up the starter. Starter wire. Make sure it doesn't kick on me like it did last time. So in all reality, coil's hooked up, power's hooked up, it has fuel. I sort of timed it. Sorta. Just lock you guys down over here. Push it outside so it doesn't get too loud. I'm gonna do a dry run because tomorrow is actually my birthday and tomorrow is when I really want to start it, but I'm gonna have you guys be part of this right now. So, get this out of the way. It's ready to push. Might put it over here somewhere. Push it. I'm gonna push it that way. Maybe that far. Okay, so it's not inside the garage, in a block of wood. And I'll go a little farther. Maybe just a little bit farther. Give myself some breathing room here. Get it out here a bit. You guys still watching? You are watching it, alright. See how much smoke and noise this thing makes.